Most people want to be rich, but very few take the time to understand money. That's the difference between those who build lasting wealth and those who keep struggling. In this video, we're diving into 10 proven ways to improve your financial IQ real. Actionable steps that will change how you think about money and how it works for you. The first way is to learn how money actually moves. Most people only see money as something they earn and spend. But money flows through systems, banks, investments, businesses, and taxes. When you understand those systems, you stop playing the game blindly and start playing it strategically. The second way is to track your money. You can't manage what you don't measure. Rich people know exactly where their money goes every month, not because they love budgeting, but because awareness creates control. When you track your income and expenses, you start seeing patterns, and patterns reveal opportunities. Third, learn the difference between assets and liabilities. It sounds simple, but it's life-changing. An asset puts money in your pocket, liability takes it out. Most people confuse the two. They call their car or home an asset, even when it's draining their cash flow. Once you learn to buy assets first, your wealth starts to grow automatically. The fourth way is to make reading a habit. The wealthiest people in the world read daily, not for entertainment, but for education. Books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Millionaire Next Door, or Think, and Grow Rich will teach you the mindset and methods that schools never did. Every book adds a new perspective that sharpens your financial intelligence. Fifth, surround yourself with people who think differently about money. Your environment shapes your mindset. If you're always around people who only talk about spending, you'll spend. If you're around investors, entrepreneurs, or people building wealth, you'll start thinking bigger, smarter, and more strategically. The sixth way is to understand taxes. The wealthy don't evade taxes, they plan around them. They know how to use tax laws, deductions, and business structures to keep more of what they earn. When you learn how the system works, you stop being afraid of it and start using it to your advantage. Seventh, start small with investing. You don't need thousands to begin, you need consistency. The rich understand that the earlier you start, the more compounding works in your favor. Whether it's stocks, ETFs, or real estate, the key is to start learning through experience, not just reading. Eighth, learn to control your emotions with money. Most financial mistakes happen because of fear or greed. The markets drop, and people panic sell. Prices rise, and they chase. Improving your financial IQ means learning to stay calm, make logical choices, and focus on long-term results, not short-term noise. The ninth way is to learn how businesses work. Every wealthy person, directly or indirectly, is involved in business. Even if you're an employee, understanding how companies make profits, cut costs, and scale gives you the insight to create or invest in them smartly. And the 10th way is to apply what you learn. Knowledge without action is useless. You don't need to know everything, you just need to start doing something. Invest a little, save consistently, read daily, and track your progress. Each small action compounds into massive results over time. Here's the truth. Financial IQ isn't about being good with numbers, it's about being smart with decisions. It's the difference between letting money control you and learning how to control money. Start applying these 10 principles today and watch your financial awareness, confidence, and results grow faster than you ever thought possible.